Oh, well. Fancy seeing you here around these parts. Yeah, we're still in lockdown, still in level 3. I'm doing good, I'm surviving. Yambi behind the... Oh my... What are you doing? It's still behind the camera and surviving. See, I lost my train of thought. This is your fault.
Look at that sock and sandals combo.
Anyway, you know the drill. We got some takeaways to devour today. We got some cinnamon rolls from Got Baked Goods and an Ethiopian feast, an epic Ethiopian feast from my mother's kitchen. Oh, the food's inside. Let's go inside and let's go.
Welcome back to our beautiful garden landscape. We have some beautiful cinnamon rolls that we would like to share. It was gifted to us by a small business located in the North Shore. It's called Avocard. Got Baked Good. And it's pretty much a 6-pack of a variety of flavors. I'll run it through you. So we got the classic cinnamon roll, the cinnamon, blueberry, chocolate, cookies and cream, caramel, and choco buns. So let's get into it. Yeah, I mean it makes sense to start with the original one, right? The only other cinnamon rolls we can compare to is Cinnabon.
Oh, Cinnabon.
But unfortunately we don't have that in New Zealand, so the last time we had it was in Greece, so check out that video. Let's take a bite.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh my god. I'm having flashbacks. Cinnabon. Oh my goodness.
But obviously this tastes more homey because obviously it has been made by a home baker. Oh man, I really like it. It's like not too sweet because when you have Cinnabon, it's like, it's good, but once you have a bite or like a few bites, you kind of want to die. But this one, like, I'm sure we'll be able to tell like within a few bites how we're feeling, but I'm feeling good.
You know, just a little bit of a drizzle of caramel, that probably like icing or whatever, cream cheese icing, and it's super soft. That's what's very key about this.
I think we have to go with a chocolate one to balance out the more classic one.
All right.
So cookies and cream or chocobun?
Chocobun.
Okay. Bite.
Ooh. A deeper chocolate flavor than I thought, which is very good and very welcome.
I vibe with that. Surprisingly, considering I'm not like huge on like, if I have something sweet, I'm not huge on having like too much chocolate.
Yeah.
Which I was a bit worried about, but I quite like that. It's not too much.
Yeah.
But like in a good way.
All right. Next flavor is caramel, one of the very popular Cadbury flavors that they put out occasionally. I think it's getting pretty regular nowadays. A lot of other brands are doing caramelized white chocolates, and basically it is a caramelized white chocolate which will have like those toasty caramelly overtones. So whatever, let's just get into it. Yes.
Wait, I still have to cut my piece out.
I'm just handsing it. She's already using her utensil here.
I mean, I love caramelized white chocolate because I used to be like that person who liked white chocolate compared to the other forms of chocolate, but this is really good.
Yeah, I really appreciate caramel or any caramelized white chocolate because sometimes white chocolate for me is a bit too sweet. So like it's a really good in between, you know.
So I think we'll do the chocolate Oreo.
It's got some chocolate icing at the bottom and then covered in some Oreo crumbs and obviously the Oreo. Yes. I mean, it's Oreo. It's pretty much like the chocolate one, but Oreo. You know, if you like Oreo.
I like Oreo.
I like Oreo as well.
We're best friends.
Probably a bit more sweet than the chocolate just because it doesn't have that like dark chocolate action, but yeah, still very good.
It's still really good though.
All right, what's the next flavor?
So we'll do the blueberry one, so we can have something tart.
Yeah. You know, it reminds me of some beautiful blueberry cheesecakes. It's got the blueberry compote, the blueberries, and the icing.
Oh yeah. Good. This is a berries and cream flavor. Berries and cream. It's not too acidic, which I appreciate.
It kind of just restarted my taste buds a bit because all of the other flavors were like caramel and chocolate genre, but this one was like
nice fruit.
Yeah, it was a nice tangy tangy restart to the taste buds. Last flavor.
This one I'm very intrigued about. It's the tiramisu or the cinnamisu.
Yeah, that's what they call it in the.
It even has a little lady finger on top.
Yeah, to complete the tiramisu experience. Righto.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
the coffee. That's good.
I like that. I like that a lot. We have a special guest. Bear Sheen's back.
She's been hiding there. You can't see it in the table.
What was that? Wait, what was that? Go support Got Baked Good? What was that? No honey flavor. She's just obsessed with honey. Just don't
Of course! This is your fault. See what happens?
No, leave her alone. I'll wash her later.
I'll show it to the camera.
No. No,
Of course, you got some chocolate stains.
No. Bear Sheen, I'm sorry.
Oh, kind of mad regrets, because I had a coffee this morning at like 10 o'clock. I really should have just saved it for this, have like an Americano or something, because I feel so sugared out. Oh my god. Anyway, so that was Got Baked Goods. I really appreciate. Thank you if you guys are watching this. Thank you very much for your more than generous gift to us. But yeah, if these cinnamon scrolls titillate your taste buds, just go follow or check out their socials. I'll put their Instagram handle at the bottom here with the magic of Adobe Premiere Pro. Truly a great throwback to our love of Cinnabon, which we have not had in many years.
1 year.
Oh, yeah, right.
And now, get ready for some Ethiopian food.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Oh, they're here. Oh, there they are. They got the goods. The Ethiopian goods. Hello. Well, yay, they're here.
Special delivery!
We have finally got our fix of Ethiopian food. Just a little background. There used to be this restaurant called Cafe Abyssinia in Mount Roskill, another Ethiopian restaurant, one of our favorite restaurants of all time, but sadly, tragically, it closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
It was probably one of the only places to get Ethiopian food. Like, it was such a magical experience. At least you have this.
Which, like the point I made in our last video, if you saw it, go support your local guys. If you don't want your favorite place to shut down, support them as much as you can. Spread the word, because the thing that happened to Cafe Abyssinia might happen to your favorite place, so you never know. Alright, so this magnificent platter that we've got in front of us is from My Mother's Kitchen, which actually isn't a permanent restaurant. It's a pop-up run by Yeshi Desta, I hope I'm saying that right, who basically works, I think from my understanding, works part-time in Shushu Dumpling Bar, and in between shifts and stuff, she whips up these grand Ethiopian feasts. Pre-lockdown, she used to do pop-ups in different restaurants in Auckland. She even does bookings for, I don't know, for your birthday, for your wedding, so definitely check out their Instagram. And the ultimate goal for her is to finally open a permanent location, which we are highly looking forward to. So let's get into this beautiful platter. So basically this is called their mixed feast for two, and it features kiwat, which is basically a spicy slow-cooked beef with onion, garlic, tomato, berbere, which is an Ethiopian spice blend, korarima, and finished with niturkibe, which is an Ethiopian spiced butter, I believe, misirwat, which is red lentils, garlic, onion, tomato, and berbere, and goman, salted kale, onion, garlic, ginger, cumin, and korarima. I'm probably butchering these names, but forgive my faux pas.
He tried his best.
Yes. And of course, no Ethiopian meal is complete without a side of injera. Look at this.
Look,
or
he has a
basically,
smiley face.
yes, look how cute it is. What a nice touch. It's basically a sour fermented flatbread native to Ethiopia that's made out of teff flour. It's basically their staple there. You have it with everything. It ain't for the trypophobic. It's got the holes, got a nice tangy flavor and spongy texture. So okay, I'll stop talking, let's get into it. Let's just tear off a bit of injera. Oh, let's just start with the beef first.
Okay, fine.
It looks very expertly spiced.
I'll have it with a bit of kale.
Oh yeah.
Just a bit.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness. Mmm. Oh my goodness. It's
Oh.
good to be reunited, isn't it?
So many flavors going on. So
Yes.
many elements. There's a party in my mouth.
It's just so expertly spiced. You know that berber spice blend pulling through.
If you don't really like sour stuff, like I personally am not really a big fan of like super tangy stuff, which you might find with the injera if you eat it by itself. But if you have it with all the elements, it just goes perfectly well together. Yeah, it's like one of the most unique like flatbread or like carb assistants you'll probably ever have.
Let's try the lentils, shall we?
With the bit of the is that cheese?
I actually don't even know. There's some white it looks like it's like some cottage cheese, but I have no idea what it is. But yeah, let's try it with that as well. Oh yeah. Oh, them lentils. Expertly spiced yet again. Oh my
That's
goodness.
good.
Also comes with a little salad here in the middle. Just for the health. That's right. Actually, I'm gonna taste the kale by itself, the goman.
How's it?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what it is. It says it has korarima, which is Ethiopian cardamom, which is that spice that I'm detecting there. It's very nice. Oh my goodness. You know, the onion, garlic, ginger coming through, as well as that cumin. Oh, I could eat this all day. All right, come here. I've delegated Yami to do the camera. Oh, hi Rashid. She's here again. But I've delegated her to do the camera work, just so you can get a closer look at the hand action. You know, honestly, eating with your hands, one of the greatest joys in life. You know, let's get some beef. Let's get some kale. Oh, let's get some lentils in there. That's not gonna fit, but oh my goodness. Oh, this is top tier food. Ethiopian food. There needs to be more of it. Oh my goodness. I mean, honestly, just the look of the beef itself. You already know it's packed full of spices. The berbere, all those complex notes of just... Oh, look, there's a fatty bit right there. Oh my goodness. So even the kale, so simple but so packed full of flavor. Just the perfect side, the lentils. You know, it's got that like dal, curry, Indian vibes going on. I mean, you know, they share a lot of the same spices. And this, I think it is some sort of cheese. I don't know what else it could be. It's just like, it just tastes like cottage cheese. But yeah. Also, the best part is when the injera, look at that, when it soaks up all the spices and the oils. Oh my goodness. One last bite. Oh, just incredible stuff. I wish you could experience what I'm experiencing right now. My mother's kitchen. Hit them up. All right, another great food day in the books. Another day of supporting our local businesses here around Auckland in level 3 of lockdown. As we say around these parts, we've run out of things to eat. We've run out of things to say. So this video has run out of time. So, well highlights. Oh, sorry. Don't no.
He said we run out of things to eat. We still
Sorry.
have leftovers.
That's for later. So how was the food today?
It was great. I'm pretty full, not gonna lie, but it was delicious nonetheless.
Anyway, thank you for watching another one of our food and travel videos here in Auckland, and see you on the next one, friends. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Support your locals. Stay safe out there, friends. I love you. Anyway, I love you.